Welcome to our Healthy Care Over 50 channel. The liver is one of the most vital organs in your body, playing a key role not just in detoxification but also affecting overall health. However, there are daily habits and types of food that we consume which could unknowingly be causing severe harm to our liver. Join me as we uncover the top 10 culprits harming your liver, and who knows, you might be able to save your health just by making a few simple changes in your habits. Let's get started. 1. Salt. Opening with a strong emphasis on the perilous nature of salt to both overall health and liver health, salt is recognized as a significant risk factor, particularly for liver health. Firstly, salt has the potential to induce cellular alterations in the liver, leading to inflammation and even cell death, paving the way to liver inflammation. Moreover, excessive salt intake also contributes to fat accumulation in the liver, contributing to the formation of scars and ultimately leading to fibrosis, stiffening the liver and leading to serious complications such as cirrhosis. To minimize the risk to the liver, alternative options to salt may include the use of spices such as black pepper, chili, ginger powder, and herbs such as mint, basil, and parsley. Utilizing these spices not only enhances flavor but also helps reduce salt intake and safeguard the liver from concerning risks. 2. Trans fats. Trans fats are notorious culprits that should be diligently avoided. Formed through a process called oil hydrogenation, these fats are commonly found in solidified forms of liquid oils, such as margarine and vegetable fats extensively used in baked goods like bread, cookies, and cakes. Despite their harmful nature, the food industry often favors trans fats for their economic viability and lack of refrigeration necessity. Did you know that many delectable fried delights from restaurants and fast food chains are prepared using trans fats? These fats are reused multiple times due to their prolonged stability, a concerning practice often overlooked. In some regions, like certain states in the United States, the use of trans fats in industrialized foods and beverages is strictly prohibited due to their detrimental effects. However, trans fats still clandestinely infiltrate numerous addictive foods, ranging from fast foods to microwave popcorn, ice creams, and frozen pizzas, providing that irresistible crispy texture. Vigilance is key. Always scrutinize product labels to identify trans or hydrogenated fats, safeguarding your health. But how do these fats wreak havoc on the body? Initially, they disrupt intestinal flora, inciting inflammation in the intestinal wall and compromising its integrity. This in turn allows toxins to permeate into the bloodstream, triggering chronic inflammation throughout the body. Moreover, trans fats contribute to the accumulation of abdominal and liver fat, swelling of liver cells, and eventual scarring, culminating in cirrhosis. Their detrimental effects extend beyond the liver, inducing insulin resistance, elevated triglycerides, and cholesterol levels, while also adversely impacting arterial health, impairing blood circulation to the heart and brain. In essence, understanding and avoiding trans fats is paramount for preserving liver and overall health, necessitating meticulous attention to dietary choices and product labels. 3. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption, even in small quantities, poses a significant risk to the liver. Despite the liver's attempt to convert alcohol into less harmful substances, this process can paradoxically lead to liver damage. As alcohol is metabolized, the liver itself becomes intoxicated, triggering inflammation and potentially causing liver cells to die, ultimately contributing to the development of cirrhosis. This metabolic process heavily relies on enzymes like alcohol dehydrogenase, highlighting the intricate mechanisms involved in alcohol metabolism. One common question arises: what constitutes a safe amount of alcohol? The truth is, there's no universally recommended safe dose. Individual variations in enzyme levels mean that tolerance levels vary from person to person. While the occasional small glass of red wine may not immediately result in significant liver damage, it's wise to exercise caution, especially for those prone to overindulgence. Ultimately, prioritizing liver health means being mindful of alcohol. 4. Sugar. Let's break down the harmful effects of sugar on your liver, beyond just alcohol and fat. One major culprit? Fructose, often hiding in seemingly innocent box juices. But don't be fooled, these juices pack a powerful punch of fructose, wreaking havoc on your liver. You might not realize it, but fructose lurks in many processed foods under different names like corn syrup or agave. It's even hiding in your favorite sodas and energy drinks. Scary, right? That's why it's crucial to read labels and be aware of what you're consuming. Now, here's the thing, when you eat a whole fruit, like an apple, you're not just getting fructose, you're also getting fiber. And those fibers are like a shield for your liver, slowing down fructose absorption and keeping your liver healthier. So, next time you're craving a sweet fix, reach for the whole fruit instead of that box juice. And remember, when you're enjoying fruits and veggies, keep the peel on for that extra fiber boost. But that's not all. Stay tuned because I'll be diving into even more foods that could be harming your liver and holding you back from feeling your best. 5. White rice and bread. White rice and bread, often staples in many diets, are refined foods that undergo processing, resulting in rapid absorption by the body. This quick processing leads to sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, which when frequent and excessive can contribute to fat accumulation in the body. However, the consequences extend beyond mere weight gain. These high glycemic index carbohydrates pose a risk to liver health, particularly in the form of fatty liver disease. This condition arises from the excessive accumulation of fat in liver cells, potentially triggering inflammation and escalating to more severe liver damage over time. To safeguard liver health, it's advisable to opt for lower glycemic index carbohydrates, such as whole grains. Unlike their refined counterparts, whole grains are absorbed more gradually, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Making such dietary adjustments, coupled with adopting healthy habits like incorporating anti-inflammatory foods, can significantly contribute to overall liver health and well-being. 6. Red meat. Red meat, rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, can be a valuable component of our diet. However, excessive consumption can lead to health concerns. The proteins in red meat, when consumed in large quantities, can prompt the liver to produce substances that cause inflammation in the arteries. Additionally, its high content of saturated fats can trigger inflammatory reactions in the body. While it's not necessary to completely eliminate red meat from our diets, moderation is key. It's recommended to limit red meat consumption to approximately 500 grams per week, equivalent to about 5 steaks. Opting for healthier cooking methods such as cooking, roasting, or grilling, while avoiding fried versions, can further mitigate potential health risks associated with red meat consumption. By incorporating red meat in moderation and choosing healthier preparation methods, we can still enjoy its nutritional benefits while safeguarding our health in the long run. 7. Supplements and vitamins. While supplements and vitamins can be beneficial, it's crucial to approach their consumption with caution. Specifically, the intake of vitamin A warrants careful consideration, as excessive amounts can overwhelm the liver's capacity to metabolize it effectively. This can lead to a condition known as hypervitaminosis A, characterized by the toxic accumulation of vitamin A in liver cells, ultimately resulting in liver damage. To mitigate the risk of vitamin A toxicity, it's advisable to prioritize obtaining this essential nutrient from natural food sources. Foods like carrots, mangoes, pumpkins, and eggs are rich in vitamin A and offer a safer alternative to supplements. By maintaining a balanced diet that includes a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, particularly those with orange hues, you can ensure adequate vitamin A intake without putting undue strain on your liver. 8. Medications. Did you know that seemingly harmless medications you take for common ailments like headaches or fever can pose serious risks to your liver? Take paracetamol, for example. When used improperly, especially in doses exceeding 4 grams per day, it can lead to severe hepatitis and acute liver failure, making it one of the most toxic medications for the liver. Similarly, drugs like aspirin and anti-inflammatories such as ibuprofen and diclofenac have been associated with cases of drug-induced hepatitis. The dangers don't stop there. Many over-the-counter medications can become particularly harmful, especially when combined with various herbs or supplements you might be consuming. The extensive list of potential interactions underscores the importance of avoiding self-medication. 9. Dairy products. It's advisable to approach the consumption of dairy products with moderation. While foods like milk, yogurts, and cheeses are rich sources of proteins and fats, overindulgence can potentially overwhelm the liver, leading to fat accumulation in this vital organ. However, it's essential to recognize the nutritional benefits that dairy products offer. They are important sources of calcium and vitamin D, both crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. For those concerned about liver health, exploring alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or rice milk can offer healthier options, as they tend to be lower in fat. Additionally, opting for low-fat versions of traditional dairy products can help reduce the risk of overburdening the liver. Ultimately, achieving a balanced diet is key. By incorporating a variety of foods into our meals, we can ensure adequate nutrition without putting undue strain on our liver. So, while dairy products can be part of a healthy diet, it's wise to consume them in moderation and complement them with other nutrient-rich foods. 10. Aflatoxins. Aflatoxins, produced by fungi of the Aspergillus species, pose a significant health risk as they are highly carcinogenic, capable of inducing liver tumors. Shockingly, individuals may unknowingly consume these toxins, as they can contaminate a variety of crops, including corn, rice, peanuts, coffee beans, and dried fruits. To minimize exposure to aflatoxins, it's crucial to adopt preventive measures. When purchasing grains and dried fruits, prioritize freshness and ensure proper storage conditions. Prompt consumption after opening packages and refrigerated storage can help mitigate the risk of aflatoxin contamination. Additionally, vigilance is key. Any signs of mold or unusual odors in food should prompt immediate disposal to avoid potential exposure to these harmful toxins. It's essential to remain cautious and discerning when selecting food products, as aflatoxins can silently poison the liver over time without obvious symptoms. By staying informed and proactive in our food choices, we can help safeguard our health and well-being from the dangers of aflatoxin contamination. Stay tuned for more useful health information. Don't forget to like and subscribe to update the latest videos. Thanks for watching.